Schwarzming. This factory produces thousands of bottles of guava juice every single hour. What looks like a simple fruit drink
Before extraction, the coarse mash enters the preheating stage. By raising the temperature of the pulp,
precision is paramount. Every batch is tested for Brix levels, ensuring the natural sweetness of
The extracted juice enters the mixing vats. Here, the batch is standardized, ensuring the flavor profile and consistency.
The homogenization stage applies thousands of pounds of pressure, breaking down the guava fibers to ensure the pulp remains. To prevent oxidation and preserve the vibrant, naturally pink hue, the guava juice enters a vacuum deaerator. In Hunfelhimps, the homogenized juice is now transferred to sterile buffer silos. Here, under a nitrogen blanket and precise.
The standardization process is complete. Now, the guava juice enters the flash pasteurization unit, where
Post-pasteurization, the guava juice is instantly chilled to 4 degrees Celsius. This rapid thermal shock
To ensure peak freshness without preservatives, a single drop of liquid nitrogen is dosed into the headspace.
After capping, the filled bottles enter the cooling tunnel. A precise water mist stabilizes the temperature. The multi-packs enter the thermal shrink tunnel. Precision-controlled heat ensures the industrial film secures the bottles for efficiency in the final stages of packaging is critical. Here, automated systems group the six-packs into
Every finished case passes over an inline scale. This automated weight check ensures a full count and consistent.
To ensure stability during transit, the completed pallets are encased in high-tension industrial wrap, securing the load for the logistics chain.
With the final batch verified and the cold chain integrity confirmed, the production cycle concludes.
This factory produces thousands of bottles of guava juice every single hour. What looks like a simple fruit drink